Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are staying safe. This week on Guided Reading, we are going to be looking at a new book. Your reading strategies that I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snake. You can use any of these strategies to help you. But your eagle eye is when you look at pictures in the book to help with a word. And your stretchy snake is when you look at the letters in a word and you stretch out the sounds. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Play. P-L-A. You have a go for me? Good job. Well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Play. P-L-A. This week we are going to be looking at a book called The Play Park. Boys and girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. The Play Park. In this story is Max and Tiger. Max and Tiger pushed their buttons. They made a micro play park. Tiger wanted to be the first to try it. He went up the steps, then he walked along the rope bridge. Tiger walked along the pencil bridge to the last tower. The pencil broke. "Help me, Max," called Tiger. "I am stuck." "Hold on, Tiger," said Max. "I will save you." Max dragged the sponges over to Tiger. "Jump onto my sponge trampoline," he said. Tiger jumped. Boing! "That was cool," said Tiger. "I want another go. Come on, Max." "This is fun," grinned Tiger. "Let's get cat and ant." Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you're struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again, or down here on Oxford Owl you had the play button, where Oxford Owl will read it to you. This week in Guided Reading, we are going to be doing another word search. So to access your word search, all you need to do is click the link that I will post in your child's portfolio. When you click the link, it will come up with this, and to join the word search, you just need to enter your name and press start. When it is loaded, all you need to do is press the start button, and now you need to find all of these words down the side. When you have finished, don't forget to send me a picture of your lovely work, and enjoy and have fun.